What's up, guys? It's Untighten. Woo! It's the end of October. That means the middle of autumn. The temperature right now is around 8 degrees Celsius and it's super windy. There are two types of weather in our country. Half of a year without snow and half of a year with lots of snow. This means twice a year you have to change the tires. Now this is what I'm about to do. The only thing is that I'm doing this thing for the first time. So I hope everything will go well. But I watched a couple of videos. So I mean, what could go wrong? I actually think that I hope that nothing goes wrong. So just watch and learn, or just watch and laugh. Just watch. Here are the wheels in question. These are 16 inches winter wheels from Kia. This is what sounds real ninja does do pronounce. Back to the wheels. These are winter tires, but they don't have spikes in them. Basically, there are two types of tires: winter tires with spikes and without spikes. They both can be used. Without spikes, I mostly used in the city, and with spikes in the countryside where there's a lot of ice. Ooh, spare tire. And the thing that I need from it is a jack. Before starting, you have to put the car on the emergency brake and put it in gear, in first gear in my case, or in the P section if you have an automatic transmission. I'll also have small wooden planks that I'm gonna put behind the wheel. You can use rocks instead, but I don't have one, so yeah. The wooden planks should be put to the wheel on the diagonal of the wheel you gotta change, and I'm gonna change this one. That means that I'm gonna put the wooden planks right here. It's better be for them a bit bigger, but I only found these ones, so yeah. I love it. The other item needed is a car wrench, but probably it will be no good for you. You see, the ordinary car wrench does have 90 degrees. Here it has a bit bigger. That means that you probably won't be able to unlock the wheels, the wheel chain bolts. Yeah, you got it. Anyway, what I was about to say, that you better buy not the ordinary thing, but a modified one, because it has a 90 degrees here. That means that all of your muscling power is gonna go to the wheel. The additional thing is that you can have an extender for it. It looks like that. Yeah. Now that means that you can unlock almost any wheel you want. And this thing is replaceable. Now I have a small problem. I think it's about to be a heavy rain storm. And because of me shooting a video, I didn't change even one wheel, even though that I spent about an hour here finding out the better spot to film and filming. I know what to do. Probably go under the roof. Now, I mean, when I said something goes wrong, I was not thinking about snowy rainstorm. Everything's over. I just had to wait for about an hour, and I'm back. What I'm doing here is untightening the screws while the car is on the ground. So you have to do it before you lift it up. And another thing, you have to do it on a star party. For example, this, and not this one, not this one, but this one, and that one, that, and that, and then that one. I'm not sure why this is done, but there's a real reason for that from some very smart people I watched on YouTube. Now you have to choose which tire to put up front. So you're probably thinking, well, it doesn't matter because they're all the same, but they're actually not. And for this I have my friend Caliper. What's up, guys? I'm a little Caliper. I'm here to help. Thank you that you're still watching this video. So I'm measuring the depth of tread here. It is around 6 millimeters. You can tell because of the camera. So I measured 4 of them, all of them actually, and it's like 6, 5, 7, and 8. And what you want to do is put the more depth thread onto the front, because the front is much heavier. Not because of me sitting in it, but because of the engine. And at the back I'm gonna put the tires that are used more. Thus they're having less thread on them left. Yeah, you're supposed to change the tires front to back like once a year, I think, or so. And don't forget, the car's supposed to be on a flat place, not on the hilly one. And no, on the flat one. There's a special place for your jack. It's usually marked something like this. Once you've done lifting up your car, you can check up if the wheel is risen. Don't use your hand, but instead some metallic thing. As you can see, I can put it through here easily. What up? It's a levitating car. Another thing you want to do is some precaution measures, and that means that put another tire beneath the car, so if the jack falls, it will fall not on the brake disc, but on other wheel. Now unscrew all the rest of all the screws. You can do it even with your hand. The last screw to unscrew is the upper one. The same you have to do when you're taking everything back. That's a special thing for the screws to be unscrewed easily. You can use your legs to help lift up the wheel. Now tighten everything out. First when the car is lifted, and then when it's put to the ground, super tighten it up. Don't forget the star parting, starting with the upper screw, this, then this, then this, then this. Then take out the tire from the car and loosen up the jack. Don't use too much pressure though for that. There are special tools. I think the power that you need to use is somewhere around 100 Newton meters. In my case, I'll just use this one and push it with my hand, but not with my leg, and not a long one. Don't overdo it. The only thing left now is the rest 3 wheels. Okay, so this is the weather conditions I'm in right now. I managed to change only 1 tire and suddenly it became winter. Oh, I mean like everything. Just take a look, it's like real snow. Don't forget to pump up your tires because in half of the year they can get lack of air, and I'm still doing it. It's like 6:30 and I'm still here, but I'm actually already done. Just fill up the tires with some fresh air. I found a very interesting thing. It's called rotation direction. Nobody is actually telling about this on the YouTube, but on the tire there is a special sign which points where the tire should rotate to. Here it is. Here, rotation that way. You can see it. And the thing is that I just found out about this thing only like on the 3rd wheel, but thank you. I had a good luck, and 2 wheels that I put before, they had a right rotation direction, and the last one, the 3rd one, I was going to put the otherwise, but I didn't, which is super cool. So take a look at that there are only 2 wheels on each side, and they have a different rotation for each side. Keep that in mind. And on that bombshell, see you next time. Look at that, how cool, what cool light I have. Okay, thank you, bye.